Okay, so final question then. We've got y equals x plus 3 all squared, and we're after sketching this graph. Now, if I just do a really quick sketch here, we know when it's y equals x squared, it's just a U-shaped curve that does that. It touches at the origin. Now, if we have a look at this, this is just y equals x plus 3 all squared, so we just know there's going to be a translation. And of course, a positive 3 in the bracket will indicate it's going to move this normal quadratic curve to the left hand side by 3 places. So our quadratic here is just going to move 3 places to the left. So instead of it touching at 0, 0, it's now going to touch at minus 3, 0. Okay, so we've obtained there where the minimum point is and where it's going to effectively touch the x-axis. What we do need to indicate is where it's going to cross the y-axis, and of course to do that we just set x to 0. So y will be 3 squared, so y is 9. So we're just going to have here coordinates here as 0 and 9. And of course we know it's crossing the y-axis at 0, 9, we know it's touching at minus 3, 0, so we can just put the foundations in there. Like that. Okay, so question 9b. And we're after sketching this curve here, so it's y equals x plus 3 all squared plus k. Now in part A, what we've done was we sketched y equals x plus 3 all squared, and what it done was it moved the quadratic 3 places to the left hand side. Now they brought this in, which is a plus k. Now a lot of people start panicking, thinking, you know, why is there a letter with translations, but there's really nothing to worry about. What they also indicate to you is k is a positive constant. Now from what we've done in the past, if this was a plus 4 for example, it would just elevate the whole thing by plus 4. So what's going to happen here, because you've got a positive k, it's just going to move everything up by k, and then you're probably asking, how am I going to represent this to the examiner? Well, this is just going to lift up by k, you're just going to add k to all your y values. So what we had here from previous, this was y equals x plus 3 all squared, and we had the coordinates minus 3, 0 and 0, 9. So what's going to happen is our y coordinates here are going to be lifted by positive k. So what we do want to indicate is that it's lifted. So our new values really, this is obviously going to be our minus 3k, because obviously 0 plus k will give you that. And then of course what we've got here is it's going to be 0 and then 9 plus k. So you just do what you do normally. If that was a 2, if that k was 2, you'd add 2 to the y coordinates. Exactly the same here, you're just adding k to the y coordinates. 0 plus k is k, and of course 9 plus k is just going to be 9 plus k. And that's your final answer.